Ready to take your dinner to a whole new flavor dimension? Welcome to Yee's Flavor Fusions, where today we're unleashing a double dose of deliciousness with two epic chicken and rice fusions. I'm Yee, and in the next 2 minutes, we're crafting paprika chicken thighs with pepper rice and garam masala chicken thighs with saffron rice. Let's dive in. First up, the paprika chicken thighs and pepper rice. Start by generously seasoning your chicken thighs with smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Now, heat olive oil in your pan and sear the thighs until golden brown, about 3 minutes per side. Next, in the same pan, toss in sliced bell peppers, chopped onions, and minced garlic. Let these soften and release their aroma. Add your rice and stir to coat with the spice-infused oil, then pour in chicken broth. Return the chicken to the pan and let everything simmer until the rice is fluffy and the flavors meld together. Now for our exotic twist, garam masala chicken thighs and saffron rice. Begin by rubbing your chicken thighs with garam masala, salt, and a touch of chili for heat. Sear these in a hot pan until beautifully charred and set aside. In a second pan, gently sauté diced onions and garlic. Stir in a pinch of saffron that you've steeped in warm water to unlock its color and aroma, then mix in basmati rice. Pour in your light broth, nestle the garam masala chicken back in, and cover. Let it cook until the rice is tender and the chicken is juicy, each bite bursting with spice. Time for the grand reveal. Here you have it. On the left, our bold paprika chicken thighs paired with peppery rice, and on the right, our aromatic garam masala chicken thighs with saffron rice. Both dishes offer unique flavor journeys that fuse classic techniques with global inspiration. Which flavor fusion is your favorite? Comment below. If you loved this double feature recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and share your own twist with Yee's Flavor Fusions. Thanks for watching. Now get cooking and fuse those flavors.